Okay, this wheel struck my curiosity a while back because it appears to be an aluminum center section and a steel outer rim. And the strange part, here's this good old magnet, is that, look at it up close, you can see that rusted outer portion, and then there's a weld, and then clearly a cast center section. And I thought maybe it was cast iron or something, but this center section does not show any magnetism at all. If you take a knife, it's very soft. So what the heck did they do? They welded aluminum to steel. To be fair, the weld is very shitty looking, but they also haven't broken or anything. So what did they do? See, here's the magnet. See, nothing. Stuck. And then you get down to the weld, and it's like half magnetic, half not. So to be fair, this wheel did come off of a Chinese van, and it's fairly modern. It's from 2006. It's a gray market thing, and there are lots, and I mean lots, of questionable safety things on this little van. So, but still, what did they do? They figured out how to weld aluminum to steel, some alloy, or that's possible. I didn't know that was possible. If so, post a comment if you know. Thanks.